In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a grocery store website on Wix. We'll start from a fresh account and get you to a polished, ready-to-sell store with products, payments, and delivery options set up. First, open your browser and go to wix.com. Click Get Started, then choose Online Store as your website type so the editor preloads the tools you need. When you reach templates, search for grocery or supermarket and pick an e-commerce design with a clean layout and large product images. Don't worry, you can customize everything later, but starting with a relevant template saves time. Next, in the Wix editor, add the e-commerce engine. Click Add Apps, search for Wix stores, and select Add to Site. This activates your product pages, shopping cart, checkout, and inventory tracking, so customers can browse, buy, and you can manage stock in one place. Now add your grocery products. Go to Dashboard, then Products, and click New Product. Enter a clear product name, such as fresh tomatoes 1 kg, set the price, and write a short, helpful description. Upload high-quality images with good lighting, add your stock quantity, and include variants like size, weight, or brand where relevant. Click Save and Repeat for all your items so your catalog is complete. Organize everything into categories to make shopping fast and intuitive. In the dashboard, open categories and choose Create Category. Common collections include fruits and vegetables, dairy, meat and seafood, snacks, beverages, and household essentials. Assign each product to the right category so filters and collection pages work smoothly. Set up payments so you can accept orders. Go to Settings, then Accept Payments and connect options like credit and debit cards, PayPal, and any local providers available to you. Note that you'll need to upgrade to a business and e-commerce plan to process payments. Choose methods your customers prefer and ensure your business details are accurate. For grocery stores, delivery and pickup are essential. Navigate to Settings, then Shipping and Fulfillment. Configure local delivery zones, set delivery fees, define any minimum order amount, and enable store pickup if you offer it. Clear names and straightforward fees help customers understand their options at checkout. Customize your store design to boost conversions. Add a promotional banner, for example, free delivery over a set amount. Feature bestsellers on the homepage. Include a search bar and enable product filters. Check the mobile view and adjust spacing, fonts, and buttons to make shopping easy on phones. Finally, when everything looks good, click Publish. Your grocery store is now live and ready for customers.